Namaste friends, welcome to Expert Civil Engineer. Today we will learn block work material calculation step by step in a very simple way. In this video, we will calculate materials required for 1 square meter wall using 400 mm by 200 mm by 200 mm block. First, let's find the number of blocks with mortar. Block size becomes approximately 410 by 210 mm, so area of one block is 0.086 square meter. Now, dividing 1 by 0.086, we get around 12 blocks per square meter. Now, calculate wall volume. Thickness is 200 mm, which is 0.2 meter, so volume is equal to 1 times 0.2 is equal to 0.20 cubic meter. Volume of one block is 0.4 times 0.2 times 0.2 is equal to 0.016 cubic meter. For 12 blocks, 12 times 0.016 is equal to 0.192 cubic meter. Now subtract block volume from wall volume. 0.20 minus 0.192 is equal to 0.008 cubic meter. After adding wastage and joint variation, we take 0.015 cubic meter mortar, wet, dot, to convert into dry volume, multiply by 1.33, 0.015 times 1.33 is equal to 0.02 cubic meter. Cement is equal to 1/7 times 0.02 is equal to 0.0028 cubic meter, which is approximately 0.07 to 0.08 bag, that means around 3.5 to 4 kilograms cement. Sand is equal to 6/7 times 0.02 is equal to 0.016 to 0.017 cubic meter. So finally, for 1 square meter block work, you need 12 blocks, 0.07 to 0.08 bag cement, 0.016 to 0.017 cubic meter sand. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.